Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your freelance work with freelancer.com step by step clearly. To verify your freelance work on freelancer.com, start by logging into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard or home page. Locate the My Projects section, where you can find your active and completed projects. Select a project that you wish to verify. Click on the project title to open the project details page. In the project details, look for the Payment or Verification tab. Click on the Verification tab to begin the process. You may see instructions on how to gather supporting documents for verification. Prepare necessary documents such as invoices, work samples, and communication records with your client. Upload the required documents in the space provided. After uploading, double-check that all documents are clear and legible. Submit the documents for review by clicking the Submit button. Wait for confirmation from freelancer.com regarding the verification process. You should receive an email notification once your verification is completed. If your verification is successful, it will be reflected in your profile. In case of any issues or rejections, check the feedback provided by freelancer.com. Make the necessary adjustments and resubmit your verification request if needed. Maintain clear communication with clients throughout the process to ensure a smooth verification experience. Continuously update your profile with new projects and verification as you gain more freelance experience. Follow these steps carefully to ensure your freelance work is properly verified on freelancer.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.